Hi, this is Tad from Ireland, and today I'm joined by Paul Murgatroyd, who's part of our UK team based in England. Paul, welcome.
Hey, Tad, thanks for having us.
Hey, thank you. So you were just telling me about an interesting customer challenge you're working with, a company that's doing online e-gift card sales, and they have kind of a unique, maybe a unique challenge with how they're doing their operational support cases with that. Can you tell me more?
Yeah, absolutely. So we've been talking to a customer. It's kind of a global sort of gift card retailer, everything online. They work with the likes of Apple and others to kind of sell iTunes gift cards and things like that. And they have a big challenge with customers kind of logging tickets with them, saying, this gift card doesn't work for whatever reason, and actually putting the entire gift card number in the support ticket. So that then obviously is exposed to their customer service representatives, and they're really concerned about potential for fraud in terms of people taking those gift cards and using them for themselves. So they've been really excited to see that Ireland has the ability to actually redact content as it's displayed in the browser. So what that would allow them to do is to kind of build out detection for sort of specific strings that would match gift card numbers and actually redact them in real time. So that means they can actually then kind of expand out their customer service team and give other people within the organization the ability to kind of service some of these customer requests without the risk of actually overexposing some of that data. So yeah, they find that really exciting and are kind of starting to get going with that one.
Yeah, this is interesting because I've been fished. I know there's a number of scams out there of people that try to get you to give them, gift card numbers. And what a lot of people might not know is that the actual gift card number, it's basically cash, right? Once you have that gift card number, it's effectively untraceable, right? Like that can be used anywhere.
Yeah. So if a user, if they're fat fingering a number for example, and they put the right gift card number into the help ticket, that can be used by any one of those help desk operators to load up some iTunes credit or something similar, and away they go.
And so the solution that you're working on with Island is using the on-screen redaction. Can you explain how that works?
Yeah, so it uses our robotic process automation capability built into Ireland. And because we own kind of the browser presentation layer essentially through our last mile control, we can look for the patterns that kind of match against those specific gift cards and then replace them with different text. So in this case, we'd maybe replace it with something that just says, gift card number or something like that. Now, for certain users, we can also give them the ability to actually reveal that data if they wanted to, and we can then audit that and give the admins visibility into the fact that that's been done. But for their standard help desk users who probably don't need to see that data, we can just remove it completely, and they can carry on with their job and support that customer as they need.
Very cool. And it's, I think what's unique about doing this in the browser is we don't have to make any changes to the underlying web application that they're using, right? Their help desk software doesn't have to even know that we're doing this because we're doing it all at the presentation layer.
Completely. Yeah, we just identify the application through the Ireland configuration, apply the policy, and yeah, nothing needs to happen from their own sort of internal system provider or any form of third party that needs to get involved. It's all just done at the browser presentation layer, which is really cool.
Excellent. And another nice advantage of doing that through Island is you also get all the auditing and reporting capabilities. So if there ever were to be an issue, it would be very easy to trace it back and say which user on which device at which time of day. We have all that data that we can track and share.
Absolutely, yeah. So they can add in things like sort of, monitoring with screenshots and where the users were clicking within the support application. So yes, they've got that kind of full forensic timeline, which allows them to say, if anything does happen, here's the user that was logged in, here's the customer record they were accessing, here's where they clicked, here's potentially what they even typed as well. So full kind of traceability there in terms of what's going on within that system.
Very cool. Do you know what was this customer using to try to solve this challenge previously, or was it just unsolved?
It's unsolved today, so they very much operate on a trust basis, and they limit access to the help desk system as much as they can. So it's a very kind of restricted application, and yeah, kind of moving in this direction with Ireland will allow them to open it up to more people within the organisation to allow them to deliver a much enhanced customer experience.
Excellent. Well, hey, Paul, thanks so much for sharing that story, and we'll have you back here soon.
Hey, no problem, Taz.